As the host of an Adobe Connect meeting, you obviously have all of the features that are available to presenters. But there's much more, too much to show you in a brief presentation. I want to show you just a few key ones. First, I want to close this presenter, this host-only area, and just devote our attention to this layout. And the first thing I want to do is show you that under Audio, you can grant microphone rights for all participants, and you can see here that they all have microphone rights granted, or you can take those away by simply choosing the same command. Under the webcam, you also have the same ability to enable participants to use their webcam, or you can disable that as well. Right now, all of the participants in this meeting, all of the attendees, are at a participant level of access. That means they can only watch and they can only chat. You can grant individual microphone rights by choosing Enable Audio, and of course you can take those away. The same goes for the functions of Enable Video and Screen Share. When a participant is supposed to present, you can make that person a presenter by promoting them using the command Make Presenter. And as you can see, John Lennon, whom I promoted, is now in the Presenters drawer, which opens and closes. You can also drag participants to these respective areas so that you have more than one presenter, or you can drag them down back into participant status. So there is the ability to make those decisions. Finally, let me show you a phenomenon that occasionally occurs in an Adobe Connect meeting. Let me remind you that this is the Share pod, where you can load a document or share your screen or share something else. This is the Video pod. This is the Attendees pod. This is the Chat pod. It is also true that, unlike presenters, you can move these pods around and stretch them or shrink them to fit whatever area that you wish. Sometimes, though, it can happen that you will accidentally lose a pod. This might happen if you choose Hide, for instance, for the Share pod, and oops, the Share pod seems to go away. Don't panic. All you have to do to bring it back is go back to Pods, the Pods menu, select the Share area, select the Share pod, and bring back the pod that was missing. The same holds true for any of the other pods. Notice that the pods that are checked are the ones that are now located in the meeting. So if you accidentally lose the webcam pod, you can go ahead and find video and bring it back. That's the video pod. So those are some of the most important things that you'll be doing as a host, and doubtless there are quite a few others, and you can certainly click help in any of the pods, or click help in the navigation bar at the top in order to explore a certain feature of Adobe Connect.